Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have some crazy stuff going on in the markets. I mean, like, you guys know I'm a bear. You guys know I'm expecting downturns to come. But what's going on right now, as crazy as it sounds, will I feel like only solidifies my case more. It's a lot easier to believe something when you want it to happen. So I guess I am a little bit biased. But I want you guys to look at this really quickly. So today, crazy day for the bulls. I mean, the bulls were loving it today. So we had the NASDAQ 3% up today. That's insane. Bad for me because I'm shorting it, but it's still insane. The Dow Jones up 2.4, which is nuts. Like, that's look if you look over here, 750 points on the day for the actual index. And then the S&P was up 2.7%, which is just great day for the bulls. Now, you guys might be like, why if you're a bear, why does that make you happy? Well, it's not that it makes me happy. I just feel like this is fake. This is a fake pump. It's a fake rally, and I'm not buying it as the start of a bull market because of multiple reasons. First off, if you want a good bull rally and you want to know if it's legit, one of the first things that I tend to look at, and most people tend to look at, is the volume. And the volume was extremely low, which is a very bearish indicator. I mean, if you look at the VIX over here, it's 24.5. It was down 3%. It was down today. It literally went down. If you look at the 1 month chart, it's on a down 6 months. I mean, it's low. It's low. The lowest it's been was 18, but like still, so look, in April, it was at 18.6, but now 24.5. So it's low. At certain points, it was at 30, 35. 1 year chart, like, look, we're getting, so we're at low volume. I think it was at like 70 million or something. Either way, so you might be like, why is that bearish? Well, who's buying? Well, it could be the institutions manipulating the markets because they don't require much volume since they have so much money. They can just buy, right? But who knows? That's the way I look at it. Two more reasons I see this as manipulation and not as a legit rally. Crude oil is up. The indicator is red and it says down, but it's actually up. If you look at the past 5 days, I mean, it was at $92 on Thursday. $90. It even hit as low as $90, which means like you guys are going to see nice gas prices going down. This is good for the overall population. I should be happy about this because I'm not just a regular banker that wants to make money off of every person's downfalls. But I mean, this is an indicator that the market should be going down and it's going up, which is a sign of market manipulation. Once again, one more indicator is this right here. The 10-year Treasury bonds. Look, they're up. It's at 3%. That's high. Now, if you're asking how that affects the markets, I mean, so that basically means the interest rates on the bonds are going up, which means the value of the bonds are going down. I'm not going to explain that. If you don't understand it, I mean, I'm sure there's a YouTube video you can find that'll explain. But when the rates of the bonds go up, the value of the bonds go down, which theoretically means the value of the stocks should be going down, but they're not, which is crazy. And then another thing that, I mean, we all know what Europe's going through right now. This is insane. What I'm about to show you is insane. So Europe has the energy crisis going on with Russia. Like, Russia is basically threatening to cut off all of their oil supply to every country in Europe. They're like, yeah, we don't care about you guys anymore. We're just going to cut you off and we're just going to do our own thing. On top of that, today, there's like heat waves in Europe. Like, climate change is causing massive heat. I mean, they reached 115 degrees Fahrenheit in some countries, which is 46 degrees Celsius, which means like hot, like really goddamn hot. They said people are dying. People are having to evacuate their homes. Look, there were signs of what French authorities warned may be a heat apocalypse. And then they're obviously going to blame it on global warming. Whether you believe that's what it is or not, it's completely up to you. Either way, that's what it's saying. The reason I show you this is because this is obviously something that should make the market sell off, right? Nope. Europe's markets were up today, and I know this because I follow this stock right over here, which is a stock that shorts the European markets. So if this stock goes down, the European markets are going up. And it was down 6% today. The European markets are literally in an energy... And look, after hours, it's still down. It's down another 1.5 in the after hours or the futures, which is not good. Like, that makes no sense whatsoever. But whatever, right? So Europe's going up. Boggles my mind how that's going on. And that's, I guess, the last sign I can think of for manipulation. But what else happened today? Netflix had their earnings. So they lost fewer subscribers than expected, and they'll have a cheaper ad tier coming in early 2023. I don't even know what they're doing with that. They only lost 970,000 subscribers during the second quarter, a smaller loss than the 2 million it had projected last quarter. Netflix, I think, is dying. I'm surprised they even did well. If you look at the actual numbers, let's look at them right now. Their earnings per share and their revenue. So they beat their earnings per share by 8.52%. Wall Street expected 2.95 and they reported 3.2. And for revenue, they lost by a little bit, but it's not that significant. See, so yeah, that's it for that. But either way, guys, so what I'm trying to get at here is that I don't know what's going to happen within the market for the next 2-3 weeks. All I know is that 6 to 12 months I'm bearish. I'm still bearish. You guys know you can watch my video on why I'm shorting the stock market. It's on my channel. And yeah, I just wanted to do this little review of showing you why I believe the markets are really being manipulated right now, and it's unbelievable. I can't believe what's going on. But then again, I could be wrong, right? Hopefully they're not and everything's going on legit, but come on, we know these rich people, we know these billionaires don't give a shit about you guys or me. So they're going to do whatever they want because they can. Anyways, it's been real. I hope you guys took this, learned something. Give me some ideas for what I can do next time, and yeah, peace.